Start.
Actually, in the last 2 centuries, family as an institution has been losing its value, and people are thinking of leading a life outside family due to the influence of so many isms like capitalism, materialism, individualism, etc. But we have seen the effect of ill effect of this more during lockdown. During lockdown, what happened was, as per the Women's Commission chairperson's declaration, for domestic violence is tripled, and it was 10-year high record. And also all over the world, UN Women has termed it as a shadow pandemic along with the coronavirus pandemic. This domestic violence also had become like a shadow pandemic, and because of these reports that are coming regarding tripling of divorce cases, and people registering online also for counseling, and other family disputes with other relatives also, the UN Secretary General on 5th April 2020, he has appealed to the world to bring peace home. So this is what motivated us to start think of a campaign like this, because only by securing this institution of family and bringing peace within this family, and establishing it in a very strong way, we can bring peace around the world, peace in the society, we can strengthen the society. See, that is the most natural and easiest way to, people's, however progressed you are, however liberated you are, people's natural urges, whether it is physical, psychological, sexual, they are the same and they will remain the same. And if there is no chance to give vent to your feelings and your urges, natural urges within the family, that will create more problems in the society, and that will increase this live-in relationships, homosexuality, and even aborting unwanted pregnancies. And what it will lead to, the after effect is like it will affect humanity at large. In future, if everyone thinks that I can enjoy through internet, through social media, or I can even it's like a coffee shop now, everything is available in the market, and people think that that is enough and I don't need a family. So we need to bring to the attention of the people that no, family is essential, and through family only we can establish peace and harmony in society. So सबसे पहले first of all we have to strengthen the family, and through strengthening the family, that is the first step toward and the lasting step towards strengthening society. That is why we thought of conducting this campaign, and through this campaign we are trying to identify the threats that are affecting the family values, and also to find solutions. Sitting with, we have many programs like panel discussions with experts, and through this we will be definitely finding out solutions and bring it to the notice of our community leaders, and then together we will work for the betterment of the society.